Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we will be learning how to unlock Facebook profile on phone. Now let's dive right in. First, open the Facebook app on your phone. Tap on your profile picture icon in the bottom right corner of the screen, and then tap on the three-lined icon in the top left corner of the screen. Now tap on the settings and privacy option. Tap on the settings option again. Scroll down until you can see the profile locking option. Tap on the profile locking option. Now tap on unlock button at the middle of the screen. Now tap on unlock your profile button at the bottom of the screen. And this is how to unlock your Facebook profile from your phone. And if you have any questions about the topic, please comment in the comments section below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.